Klausa. Klausa, good boy. This is Klausa. He's our newest addition. He's a real lover. He rode great in the car. He's walking outside. He hasn't wanted to eat yet, but he just met 3 large girls who all licked his boy parts. And he met his sisters already, and everyone was nice to him. He just felt a little bit cornered when all of a sudden 3 girls tried to sniff his boy's parts. But he's adorable. And he's very sweet. He's so happy. He's so happy. Maybe he'll eat dinner later. Yes, maybe you'll eat your dinner later. Klausa. Klausa. Yeah, so it's K-L-O-S-E, I think, is what Steve wants to name him. Klausa. So here you go, Marcy. I hope you liked the video. I'll have some more pictures later. I'm going to see if I can get him to eat anything. And then we'll work more with meeting his sisters. But they've done fine, and he did fine on the first accidental meeting because he knocked over the baby gate when I didn't want him to. Right, Klausa? I knocked over that baby gate good. I sure did. So you can see here his skin and bones. Skin and bones. Look at those hips. Look at those hips. Right? See, those will be disappearing soon. So he's not like Mikey skinny for show. He just needs to put some meat on his bones. And he'll probably have Pano because he's going to be big. Hey, Klausa. Are you handsome? Yes. Okay, we'll go upload this video now.